In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off restricted mode on YouTube mobile app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up YouTube app. Make sure you are signed into your YouTube account and then tap right here at the bottom right where it says You. After the page is loaded, tap right here at that gear to head over to Settings. On Settings, we need to get into General. And basically, guys, that's where we can easily find Restricted Mode. When this mode is enabled, like in my case, this may hide potentially mature videos, and all we have to do in order to turn it off is just tap at that button. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.